Hello class, how are you? I hope that you are very well. So today is Monday, April 27th, and today we're going to practice reading, okay? But first, you are going to watch a video, and it's a video of Miska describing her toys. So first, you are going to watch that video and then you are going to answer this exercise, okay? You are going to match the correct toy to the correct description, okay? When you finish, you are going to open your class book. Remember, this is your class book. So, you are going to open your class book in page 78. Remember right here the short date, 27/4/2020. And you are going to play the audio so that you can listen to the story, okay? It's important that you listen because you are going to listen to the correct pronunciation. Because after listening, you are going to read aloud. Es muy importante que escuches el audio para que después tú puedas leer la historia en voz alta. Okay? After that, you are going to answer the exercise. You are going to write the correct name to the correct boy or girl. When you finish, close your class book and open your workbook in page 78. And here, remember to write the short date. And here again, you are going to read the story aloud, okay? And after that, you are going to tick the correct answer. And you are going to write the correct name to the correct boy or to the correct girl. And according to the story, you are going to color her eyes, or his hair, or his eyes, or her hair. When you finish, close your workbook and it's family time. It's time to play. So, mom, dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, come and play, okay? Take out your toys and describe your toys, okay? And that's it for today, class. So, see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.